I'm wearing the Feel Good necklace, and it's about 18 inches in length. It extends from 15 and a half to 18 inches. It has a heart-shaped lobster clasp in the back, and I'll show you the lobster clasp so you know. And it has two little pearls that hang from it in the back. But the Feel Good necklace, oh my gosh, I love this necklace. What I did was when I designed it, because I do everything by hand, I make the waxes, and then we set a platinum colored pearl in the center, and then there's a little pearl that dangles here. And then I have these 3 rings that are the cutest little things, and I designed with a little XO on one of them, and one's like a scrolly one, and one has little dots. But it's a picture frame pendant, so just like all my other ones, it has a unique thing that I did where you just use the back, and you slide out a picture. It comes with a picture as a template to follow, and that's it.